Question 1. 1A. 1A is about rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry is how many times the shape can be rotated and it back to the still give you the same shape. So if you start from here, change color. If you start from this point, so you will rotate 1. If you take this point, and you rotate back 2. So the order is 2. B, on the diagram, draw the line, all the lines of symmetry. So take note of the shaded part. Therefore, the line symmetry will be just here and here. You should get 2 lines of symmetry. So that's all. So remember, practice is the key, and good luck with your studies. And if you feel that this video helped you, and please subscribe, and I'll see you again. Bye-bye.